Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your work. Back up every Garageband project to iCloud Drive or files so nothing is lost. Once backed up, check iOS version and free storage. Make sure you have about 500 MB to 1 GB free. Next, force quit Garageband and restart your iPhone to clear temporary caches. This often fixes glitches. Make these exact steps now so the reset that follows won't delete anything important, and you'll be ready to offload or reinstall with confidence. Once you've prepared backups, decide whether to offload or delete. Offload app in Settings. General iPhone storage removes the app but preserves documents and data. Use this for a light reset. If you choose to delete, first verify your backups, then delete and reinstall from the App Store. After reinstalling, open Garageband and grant permissions for microphone, files, and iCloud Drive. Allow it to finish any first-run updates. When done, import one backed-up project to confirm files are intact and the app behaves normally. Finally, open Garageband and load a test project to verify instruments, tempo, and track content are correct. If projects didn't appear automatically, import them from iCloud Drive or files. Make sure iCloud Sync is enabled in Settings for Garageband. If you still see problems, try resetting network and privacy settings, or, as a last resort, use Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone, but only after backing up everything. Troubleshooting tip: if projects are missing, check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.